In this video, I will be showing you how to enable dark mode in Adobe Acrobat Reader. So let's get started. First thing, just open Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's fine if you have opened a PDF or if you are in the home page. To the leftmost top, we'll be having the menu option. Select it. Here, just go to View. We'll be having here Display Theme. Hover over it and click on dark gray. As you can see, now the dark mode has been enabled. Now let's suppose you want to have the dark theme applied for this page also. In that case, go to menu and here we will be having preferences, and here just click on accessibility. Check this replace document colors, and here we are having page background and document text. So I will just click on this page background, and if I make it black, and after that let's also change the document text. So I will just go with white, so it's contradicting. I will just click on OK. By this way we can get the dark theme to the pages of a PDF also. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.